We'll guide you through how to change the language in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive's website. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings. A new window will pop up with several options. On the left side, click on General. Under the General settings, find the section labeled Language. You will see your current language setting with a pencil icon next to it. Click on the pencil icon to open the language options. You will now see a list of languages available on Google Drive. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the language you want to switch to. Once you've found your preferred language, click on it. Google Drive will automatically update the language settings, and you will see a confirmation message. You might need to refresh your page to see the changes take effect fully. If your Google account is linked with other services like Google Docs or Gmail, the language change will apply there as well. It's that simple. Changing the language can help you navigate more comfortably and efficiently if you're more fluent in another language. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.